Hi, this is Kevin at Tutor with the Best, and you're watching 1 Minute Math.
The transformations for trig functions happen the same way as the transformations for any function. I use sine here, but all the transformations that we discuss apply to any trig function. In this generic example, a, b, c, and d can all affect the function in a different way. D outside of the function, adding d is going to be a vertical shift. X minus c is a way to shift our function horizontally. Sometimes we'll call this a phase shift when dealing with trig functions. The value a out front, this is a vertical stretch of any function. In terms of trig functions, we call this the amplitude. If a happens to be negative, it would also flip the function vertically upside down. The b value in here stretches functions horizontally. It can help us find the period by doing 2 pi divided by b. For tangent and cotangent functions, it would just be pi over b though. In this example below, we can identify all the transformations. The amplitude of this sine function would be 3. Doesn't matter if this 3 is negative or positive, we still say the amplitude is 3. The vertical shift happens at the end. This would be a up 1 vertical shift. The period is found by this 2, so we do 2 pi divided by 2, and this function would have a period of pi. And the phase shift in here would tell us that we're shifting this whole function to the right, pi over 4.
If you'd like to see more videos like this, click subscribe, or check out the next video in the series by clicking below.